up, kid? We got a serious situation happening right now. E-boys are taking over the internet. The diamond thing should be taking over the internet. It's time for me to hop on the wave. E-boys ain't got shit on me.
I'm gonna turn my brother into the best e-boy on the internet.
Time to change my clothes. Gucci! I don't know. Call me Kahoot because I get all the gooch.
We have the classic e-boy shoe. Basically, if you wear these, you are automatically clouted. We got the Nike socks. Every e-boy has them. Jeans from American Eagle. Obviously, you have to get the girl fit because guys that are e-boys love the tight fit. This collared shirt underneath. This is definitely from Gucci. This is a leftover Halloween costume because e-boys are literally clowns.
My peen don't even fit in these jeans. All these e-boys be shrimp.
Now I'm going to be doing the facial and hair.
Wait, I'm doing makeup?
Surprise, motherfucker.
We do makeup on an e-boy?
So if you're an e-boy, you have long hair down in the front. Also, they do part it down the middle, but I don't know. Oh, wait. You definitely have enough hair.
Oh shit, I look hot. I feel like Gordon Ramsay when I flip my flippin' wrist.
Oh, I hate that song. So Jack has no nails, so he has alien fingers. So
I bite my nails like regularly, and then my braces get stuck in my skin, so like it picks out all of my shit. Jesus Christ, she just got that all over me. You don't have gonorrhea, do you? Potty mouth! My drip is stupendous. I don't know what that word is. It's too big for my vocab.
Right now, I am drawing on face tats. I'm just gonna do a bunch of hearts. Yeah, probably because your breath smells like asshole.
I'm like Lil Xan.
Oh my god. Turn that way. Just turn that way.
Earwax.
Show the camera.
I stick my finger in there sometimes. Wee wee.
This is the most important part.
Boy. Clout demon.
We also added an earring onto the look, charms and everything. Little genie thing represents all of the dreams that the e-boys have.
About them dots, boy. I'm average. I was fighting some demons. I had a voice crack. And I'll be down here.
I'm going to hell.
Shit, man!
Too much, too fast. I said I don't wanna lie. She said too bad. Yeah. Next thing I know, you'll be gone in a minute, and I know that I'll regret it, and I know that I'll still want you back. Hold up, slow it down. Don't know what I'm thinking, but I still want you around. Yeah. I should've known from the start we'd be toxic. Said my heart was broken, but we went and got attached. Maybe one day we'll be something. Maybe when I'm capable of loving someone. Doesn't mean I didn't want it, but I couldn't give it all, and now you're back.
Should do a behind the scenes video. Just
Honestly,
to
all our outtakes. Or just put it at the end of the video like David. Yeah. I'm gonna have to try to sit here and be like serious.
What's up, kid? There's a serious issue.
I can't take this kid seriously. Okay.
Ready?
Aggressively poking her head. Like,
my sissy is gonna be
It's gonna be aggressively turning me into an e-boy.
My sissy's gonna be turning me into an e-boy. My sissy's gonna turn me into the best e-boy on the internet.
God, you can't spit it out.
My sissy's gonna take me into.
No way.
I can't do it. It keeps bouncing out. Oh shit, it's rolling. What?
You have to button it up all the way.
How?
You say how you button it?
I know, but I'm just not good at it.
Just look up. I don't need your chins in the way. Pop your collar. Up.
How?
One size fits all. I don't know if that's true.
It doesn't fit the big boy.
Hopefully they fit your thick ass. I don't know if they will.
I'm gonna rip through it.
Why do those look better on Jack than they look on me? He held up his fupa.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
You snapped on 3, bozo.
1, 2, 3. You guys fucking suck. Snap on the third one.
Okay.
Ready?
Gucci!
There should be a Sharpie in there.
A Sharpie?
Not on your face.
Oh my goodness, Bo!
We're gonna get
The eyeliner's in here. I haven't used eyeliner
in the camera and be like, my drip is stupendous.
My drip is stupendous. What did you say?
My drip is stupendous.
Stupendous?
Stupendous.
My drip is stupendous. I don't know what that word is. It's too big for my vocab. Wee wee.
Wee wee bitch.
No.
Oh, okay.
Now!
We should make another cooking video.
That's all you want to do.
Because I think they were funny.
Badass. You just want to eat it.
Marissa ate it last time. Clout demon hoe.
Then you can do the TikTok, the clock wall.
You gotta throw it up. Oh.
Let's do a point of view snap. Like one of the ones where it's like, oh, you got class.
Damn, you got a class?
Yeah, I do.
I was gonna film a video with you later.
I don't really care. You don't need my clout anyway.
What time you wanna shoot, shawty?
I told you I didn't want to shoot. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you shit you on Miss? Don't worry about that.
Get out of here, you perv.
Your mom gay. Oh my God. This is not manspread, Lee. Not manspread. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice the spread for the swag. I'm a F with you. See y'all kids later.
Think I got 21, yeah, bitches in my contacts, tryna get this contact. I don't hit them back, I got a one-on-one, but she ain't just a fallback, she the one that call back whenever